Welcome to Bow Street Apartments, a 98-unit affordable housing development complete with a clubhouse and swimming pool right here in Elk Grove.
Created in partnership with Pacific Housing and the City of Elk Grove, Bow Street Apartments will consist of 97 affordable units and one on-site manager unit located at 8627 Bow Street, located near Sheldon Road and Highway 99. Resident services at this site will include adult education classes and individualized health and wellness services for all interested residents. The community will also include a community building with computers and fitness equipment, children's play area, swimming pool, and in-unit laundry facilities. Pacific Housing, Inc. is a nonprofit organization dedicated to serving lower-income families and seniors with affordable housing and uplifting programs.
According to Kerry, the foreman, they're about 1 month behind because of the weather, but he's a 49er fan, so he said they will finish on time. Slated to open in September, we will be here when they do, so make sure you stay tuned in because I'm selling Sacramento.